This is probably the most important tip I will give you. This is tip number 3. Make sure you plan your meals, your snacks, your drinks. Make sure you plan all of those things in advance. One of the ways that we get in trouble with almost any meal plan is when we come home and we're starving and we don't feel like making a big meal. So the first thing we do is grab the first thing we see, which is usually going to be toxic to our food plan. What I try to do is make all of my desserts in advance. On my YouTube channel, you'll find that I have illustrated several different desserts from the keto-friendly South Beach diet, as well as my own recipes and maybe some others that I found interesting. So please check those out. Generally, there's not more than 5 or 6 ingredients, and they are delicious. When preparing your snacks, or if you choose to buy them from the store, make sure you check the ingredient label. You're looking to see the number of carbs, the amount of sugar, and the amount of cholesterol that might be in the product. And that will help you make informed decisions about your choice of that item as a snack or as a meal. I encourage you to cook the majority of your meals. The reason is so that your keto meal plan stays on course, because you will know exactly what you put in the individual dishes that you created. So good luck, hang in there. See you next time.